Grilling isn't just a method to cook food. It's a celebration of summer and a ritual of outdoor cooking. The grill becomes a symbol of warmth, freedom, and the joy of savoring meals al fresco, often paired with a refreshing drink. The aroma of sizzling meat and the crackling of flames create a sensory experience that's hard to replicate. But here's where it gets controversial. Many overlook the simple act of grilling garlic, which can elevate any dish to new heights. Vivian Villa, founder of plant-based butter company Unbutter, shares insights on how to coax garlic into perfection on the grill. She explains that whole garlic bulbs, when placed on the grill, steam and soften naturally. For a more robust flavor, slicing the tops and drizzling with oil enhances the roasted caramel taste. Wrapping garlic in foil, especially the shiny side, speeds up grilling by compressing the cloves, allowing them to cook evenly. Villa emphasizes that the key lies in timing. Soaked bulbs resist burning, while cut open ones benefit from a drizzle of oil to prevent dryness. The ideal temperature, she notes, is 325 degrees Fahrenheit, a balance between slow cooking and achieving that perfect crunch. But here's the part most people miss. You don't have to use the cloves during the meal. Simply freeze the cooked garlic, build a stockpile, and store it for future use. This way, you can enjoy the rich, buttery flavor of grilled garlic in dishes like compound butter, garlic bread, or even a simple pasta salad. For instance, mix softened cloves with butter and herbs to create a decadent compound butter, melted over grilled meats or burgers. Alternatively, use the garlic butter to make garlic bread, a staple in many kitchens. When my husband grills, I often toss spaghetti with roasted cherry tomatoes and basil. If I had grilled garlic, I'd crush the cloves into a paste, blend it with the cooked pasta, and add fresh tomatoes. The result? A creamy, garlicky sauce that coats every bite. Garlic can also enhance mashed potatoes, tuna salads, sauces, gravies, and even homemade mayonnaise. This is where the controversy arises. While some argue that garlic should be reserved for specific dishes, others see it as a versatile ingredient that can transform any meal. Is it better to use garlic in moderation, or let it shine in every recipe? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Do you prefer garlic in your cooking, or let it be a hidden gem?